You know those days when you're tired, maybe a little stressed, and all you want is something warm and comforting? Today, we're giving instant noodles a huge upgrade. Tender beef, creamy broth, and jammy eggs come together to make something seriously satisfying. Start with garlic and grate them using a fine grater. It turns garlic into a smooth, flavorful paste. This will be the heart of our flavor. Next up, green onions. Slice them thin. They'll add that bright, sharp contrast at the end. Gently lower the eggs into simmering water. Boil for 6 to 7 minutes, then transfer them to an ice bath for 5 minutes. Peel carefully, then slice to reveal the golden, jammy yolk inside. Time for the noodles and soup base. Add a bit of oil to a pan over medium heat and swirl to coat the bottom. Stir in the garlic paste until fragrant. Pour in the water, then add the soup base and spice packet. Stir until everything is well mixed. Here's the secret ingredient, a spoonful of Kewpie mayo. It melts right in, making the broth silky and rich. Drop in the noodles and let them soften. Don't overcook, just enough for that perfect, chewy bite. Lift the noodles gently and place them into your serving bowl. Now bring the soup back to a boil. It's almost showtime. Lay thin slices of beef right on top of the noodles. Then pour in the hot broth. The heat will gently cook the beef until it's tender, half pink and half white. Give everything a moment to come together. Got rice seasoning? Sprinkle some on. It brings crunch and a hit of umami. Now toss on those fresh green onions and that yummy soft-boiled egg. Broth, beef, spices, all coming together in one perfect bowl. This isn't just a bowl of instant noodles. It's comfort, flavor, and a little moment of joy. Just what you need to unwind and feel good all evening long.